Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. As many of you know, my name is John. I'm the Client Affairs Manager for the firm. I'm a practicing British and international lawyer, backed up by in-house lawyers, barristers, accountants, consultants, and overseas experts. So today, it's a topic that has seen a lot of press in the media lately, and that's about firearms and firearms offences in Thailand. So what I'd like to do is just give you a quick overview of what the laws are, in case you get yourself into a situation on purpose or inadvertently, because you can fall foul to this inadvertently. Now, the law is quite technical, so I do have some crib notes, which I will be referring to, just so that I can give you complete and proper advice. So, Thailand has one of the highest rates of gun ownership in Southeast Asia. But don't let the numbers fool you. The laws governing them are some of the strictest in the region. Whether you're a collector, a professional seeking protection, or just curious about the local status, understanding the Firearms, Ammunition, Explosives, Fireworks, and Equivalent of Firearms Act is essential. So today we're breaking down what counts as a firearm, who can legally own one, and the heavy price for breaking the law. So the burning question is, what is a firearm? Under Thai law, firearm isn't just a traditional handgun, rifle, carbine, etc. It includes any weapon that discharges a projectile via explosion, gas or air pressure. Crucially, even individual parts, such as a barrel, a trigger group, a slide pin, are legally treated as a full firearm. And a quick note for the tech savvy. Imitation firearms like BB guns or airsoft guns that can be easily converted or used to threaten others also fall under strict regulatory scrutiny. Essentially, if it looks like a gun, it's probably going to be treated like a gun. So, eligibility and the lawyer factor. So who can get a permit? And here's the big hurdle. Ownership is strictly reserved for Thai nationals. As of the latest 2027 amendments and current 2026 enforcement, foreigners are generally prohibited from owning or possessing firearms in Thailand. For Thai citizens, the requirements are rigorous. You have to be at least 20 years old, you must pass a deep background check, no criminal record or history of violence, and you must have a genuine need, typically for self-defense, protecting property, or sports. So what about professionals like lawyers? Lawyers, like other professionals who may carry large sums of cash or handle high-stakes cases, often apply for protection of property and person category licenses. However, being a lawyer doesn't give you an automatic pass. You still need a POR 4 license to own a gun and a very much harder POR 12 license to actually carry in public. Because, as you'll see as I come on to this, two differing offences and sentence guidelines. So the Section 12 carrying in public is under very strict scrutiny. And what I will say is, during 2024 to 2026, the Ministry of Interior has recently suspended the issuance of new carrying permits to the general public to enhance public safety. We've all seen many firearms offences, especially recently where fatalities have occurred. So, penalties and the criminal code. Illegal possession, so possession, just having a firearm without a licence in your own home, can land you in prison for between 1 and 10 years and heavy fines. Carrying in public, under Section 8 and Section 371 of the Criminal Code, carrying a gun in a town, village or public place without carrying permit, even if you legally own the gun, is a crime and you could face an automatic 5 years. Prohibited weapons, if weapons is a type that are not allowed for civilians, military weapons, ex-military weapons, etc., the penalties skyrocket and potentially lead to life imprisonment. So the takeaway, Thailand's gun culture exists. We know as foreigners that we can't own, but sometimes we try to circumvent. Sometimes we try to get .22 air rifles sent in from overseas countries by many shipping companies because we're used to being able to own a .177 or a .22 air gun in our home countries. You can't here. That is a firearm and it's prohibited. And if you get caught, even if you live out in the villages in Siam or Chiang Rai, you're getting caught and you're getting sentenced. Remember, Thailand now has a far stricter policy on crimes in general for foreign nationals. Don't take the risk. Firearms are not worth it. If your family has a genuine need, then your Thai family should apply. They should go through the scrutiny and understand what is required of them. But for us as foreign nationals, possession of parts, possession of ammunition, possession of unlawful weapons, we are going to carry a high price. So again, this is just to highlight, because of the media lately, a lot of firearms seizures, a lot of incidents involving gun crime, a lot of killings involving gun crime. Not necessarily with Thai or foreign, but there is a good mixture out there. So, just general information and general updates. We can't own firearms, so don't bother, don't try. Give it a like, give it a share, follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube. We're here for all of your legal needs and account needs in Thailand. Our award-winning 2026 Asia Pacific Awards team, who are the best international and accounting firm in Thailand 2026, are here for all of your needs. Thanks for watching, ladies and gents. We really appreciate your support. We're here to help you in your time of need. Thank you.